Here we have a Turn Pro 7" by 10" horizontal bandsaw. This has a swivel base. It's 1 horsepower, 230 volt. And we're going to power up, show you that it does operate. So you got power, your e-stop, your coolant, pump switch. Tested the coolant pump, that operates nicely. This first gear. So it's a 3-speed geared head. There's a hydraulic downfeed, adjustable, and as the head goes down, it shuts the machine off. This unit is just slightly used. It's in really good condition. Has just a trace amount of metal shavings on it. It is missing the sump screen right here, as well as a metal catch guard that's supposed to be right here. Other than that, it's in really fine shape, good working condition, minimal signs of use, and we thank you for